reason I'm doing this is because I've always wanted to cut my own hair, especially bangs. Ever since seeing this video, I watched that and I was like, yeah, you know what? I can cut my own bangs. And now it's like 5 years later and I'm finally deciding, yeah, you know what? I can cut my own bangs. I also think that I should address that I am going through my savings very quickly, so I'm a little bit stressed. I feel like I should be sending emails right now instead of filming a video where I cut my own hair to pieces, because probably after this I'll look like a clown and nobody will ever hire me again. I do have a backup plan, which is my mom. She has cut my hair every time when I was a kid. Every year she cut my hair, and yeah, she can fix whatever is needed. She's not a hairdresser, but she has a lot of experience, and I think I can trust that. Yeah, I trust my mom doing that. The thing that I'm really scared about and nervous about is basically cutting and then be like, wait a second, I should have thought more about this. Even though I've basically been up all week at night thinking about, should I do this or shouldn't I do this? I got a pen and I got a towel for the scenario that I don't want to go out the door and I'm panicking because the bear is blocking the door. I also got a little present. I got this comb and these scissors. I have no idea how old these are. It still works, so I'm gonna use that. So my hair is really thick and it's always been like this. Okay, where is the top of my head? I think it's about here. So I think we should start there. I'm going to put the sides back because we don't need that. I just want the front. This is basically how long it's gotten, my hair. And yeah, this is basically my hair before. So, okay, I'm going to start using the comb because then I can work more precisely and see what I have to do. So basically the only thing that I could find were these very old clips and this one. So yeah, prepared, I'm not really. Am I still going to do it? Yeah. This looks like a good, neat hairline. So that's nice. I think it is right here on top here. I think this is the point where you have to aim for. So I'm going to do that. So now I should find the hairline in the front and then on the sides. So this is, the left side looks quite fine. You can see the line is quite neat. I have to get it more neat. The right just doesn't, it's just not happening right now. The hardest thing is that I cannot actually see myself in the mirror, so I constantly have to be like opening the curtain. You know, if you have shorter bangs, like most people that are making a tutorial, they were starting with like bangs till like right under their chin. I was like, yeah, well, I don't have that, so I feel like I'm starting too low. I feel like I should do it higher up, because if I do this, I don't like this. I'm going to have to start all over. Oh no, dandruff is coming in to play and make my life a little bit harder. Yeah, so the top of my head I feel like would be here. I don't know if you can see it, but if I turn the video around, she's just lying here. Every time I'm looking at my phone, I can like see her there, which is so cute. I think this feels better. I don't know, maybe it's worse. It's going very well, people. It's going very well. I put my hair up and I watched this tutorial again for the sectioning part. So I see that she started in the middle. This is why I was struggling, because I was trying to put everything in the front all at once, but what I should have been doing is just splitting it in the middle and then making two little triangles. So I've split it sort of in the middle again, and now you can see that I actually have like a kind of triangle shape. It's not super clear, but she said in the video, and she is a hairdresser, I mean, at least she says so in the video. The video is really good. I recommend watching it if you want to do this as well. She said that you either have to make a triangle shape or a rainbow shape, so I have sort of like both. I think I'm gonna start with like kind of curtain bangs. I feel like with curtain bangs you can always cut further. I think because of my long hair and my thick hair, it's the easiest to start with that. You could argue that maybe I should have gone to a hairdresser, but I've been dreaming of doing this by myself for years, and I just want to prove to myself either that I can do it or that I have tried and I was courageous to try this at least once in my lifetime. I don't want to be like on my deathbed and saying like, I wish I would have cut my own bangs. And yeah, I feel like this is bucket list stuff. Alright, this is really not working. When I am concentrating on filming and doing this, it's not working. So I'm gonna pause again and just try and get this right, and then I'm going to continue. So I feel like I finally sectioned everything. I had to start all over again, trying to split it down the middle, because I've realized that my forehead is uneven. This part of my bang section is like bigger and more rounded than this side, and this like is like straighter. I don't know if it's like a head thing because my head is uneven, or if it's like a thing that I'm just not a hairdresser and I can't do it right. I feel like we'll have to cut the excess length off. They said till the tip of your nose, but I'm going to put it a little bit longer because I know how I'm doing this. I'm going to mess this up anyway, so we better play it safe. I've already been at this for like 2 hours. Yeah, let me see. So I have to split it again down the middle. Let's see how that works. I also heard in one of the tutorials that like wait 2 weeks in order for your hair to get used to whatever you're doing. Oh my god, this is harder than I thought. I mean, of course, like it's hard. I expected that. If I would do this another time, I would make sure that my scissors are very sharp, because I feel like these aren't. Ooh, this is a lot. That is starting to look more like it. It's starting to be a little bit better. You know, worst case scenario, I go for micro bangs, and then, you know, we can all just say that it's the trend that's in right now. And hopefully that will get me cast in a couple of commercials. Actually, that's a very good backup plan as an actress, because then you're very much like seen and in the spotlight. So I feel like that's actually not that bad. I have to say that I did think about going like for the micro bangs, but I was like, yeah, that's definitely not going to suit my face. I've sectioned it in 2 parts, so I do this part first and not this part, because my hair is quite thick. But I'm trying to do this part, but it's so long and I cannot really see it, and I'm not used to doing this, so that it's really hard because I'm like looking in the mirror while doing it. Yeah, quite cute. It's like nowhere near what it should be. I feel like I should show you my progress before I make them shorter. So this is basically what it's looking like right now. I have my hair back so that I can see what I'm doing. It's like I've tried, but there's this like this one piece in the middle that can't decide where to go. This is like the disadvantage of not having a blow dryer. So I cannot like make it wet and then blow dry it. I like to do it when it's dry, because then I feel like I have a more sense of control, because when it's wet, you know, it can like go up suddenly when it's dry, and I don't want to risk that. Anyway, so I've tried to thin it out a little bit because my hair is just so incredibly thick. This is what it looks like right now, but I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. I'm also realizing that I have very weak grip in my hands. Like, you see that the hair is getting loose. I don't know if that's like normal, but I feel like either my fingers are too thin to do this, or like hairdressers have such like good strong fingers to do this. I don't have that. Well, anyway, starting to get there. It looks cute on the side, but I'm going to thin it out a little bit more, and yeah, let's just see how everything goes. I don't know if I'm proud of this, but yeah, we're getting there, so that's good. This is kind of looking like it, like what I want. This is it. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Yay. Maybe still a little bit too much over my eyes, but we'll fix that later. Now it's like totally not matched. At least you can see the difference. Sorry, I'm so concentrating in the mirror that I keep forgetting that I'm actually filming and I should show you. I've been at this for hours, which is crazy. That's cool. I don't know if this is like the right thinning technique, but I've seen it in a tutorial, and maybe it's stupid of me, maybe I'm damaging my hair or whatever, but I feel like for once in my life I want to try it, and we'll see later how it goes. There is a fun fact. I actually almost would have studied for hairdresser a long time ago when I had to start high school. I had to choose what high school I wanted to go to. The high school that I could choose had like this hairdresser study, so I almost decided that that was what I wanted to do, but then I realized there was another school who had like an arts program and lots of painting and all that kind of stuff, so I decided I wanted to do that. But yeah, I've almost been a hairdresser. I don't think I would have been a very good hairdresser, but I definitely would have liked what I did. I think I'm going to check if the length is the same, and if the length is the same, I'm going to call it a day because it's getting dark and I just want to like finish the video before my storage is full. Like in between, I'm just like deleting my storage on my phone because that's like where I am in life. So yeah, well, anyway, yeah, this is cool. It's like really framing my cheek here, which I like. So basically what I'm doing now is like I already checked the lengths, and now I'm going to try and make sure that they're like right above my eye. So I'm going to try and get it shorter, but other than that, it's quite cute. It's a little bit shorter, like this. All right. The sun is gone, so I took an extra light here to light my face so that you can still see the result. So they are like wispy curtain bangs, but I try to put them together in the middle so that it's like not a curtain bang anymore, but it is. I don't know what this is called. I think it's called I try to make my life feel better because I'm a mess and this happened. I think I'm going to leave it like this until I've washed it again, and then I can, you know, try and trim it a little bit so that it looks better. But I think for now, like for a first time doing this, it looks really cool. I'm sorry about the lights, like the sun is going down, so I had to put on more lights. Anyway, this is how it turned out. It's not great, it's not perfect yet. I'm going to try and trim it a little bit more once I can style it next week, because next week I have a blow dryer where I'm going, and then I can, you know, see if I can maybe style it a little bit more. But for now, I'm really happy how it turned out. I have to say, I kind of like it. I think it looks really cute, even though it's maybe not even, like you can see it here, but I did my best. And here it's like, I don't know, I feel like this side is my favorite side because this looks like a little bit messy, but this looks nicer. I don't know. So this is how it looks now. Oh my god. Okay, the rest of my hair, I have to say, is quite heavy. So I will ask my mom downstairs because she just got home. I will ask her if she can cut the rest of my hair because it's like too long and big, I feel like, for me to do. But I do want to try. So we're going to cut this in layers. I'm gonna try, and then tomorrow I'm going to reveal to you the full thing. It's like all flat, so yeah, I don't really like that. Okay, here is like the damage that I did. So this is like all the hair. There's like a lot of hair that I cut off. So yeah, I'm going to clean that up. Anyway, I really like this. Oh my god. It's like a new me. I really have to get used to this, but I kind of like it. It feels like this is cool and this is cool, but it doesn't like belong together. So let's fix that. Alright, thank you so much for watching already. And I really hope to see you in the next video. And if there's any questions or if you have any comments, no bad ones please, because then I'm gonna cry, put them in the comment section down below and I'd love to connect with you. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, and wait for the result. I'm gonna show you right now.